Hello, Edmo family. My name is Samantha Wilcox, and I am one of the program managers here at Camp Edmo. We are going to be celebrating SEL Day this upcoming Friday, March 26th. Social Emotional Learning Day is something that is super important to us as an organization, as SEL is something that we find super important and we incorporate into all of our programs. We are going to be celebrating this Friday with Facebook Live sessions. We're going to be hosting a session from 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific on Facebook Live. And we are going to be also hosting a second session from 4 to 5 p.m. Pacific on Facebook Live. Both of these sessions are going to be an easy, really fun craft that you and your family, your friends, your kiddos can do with us together. Then it's going to be focusing on SEL. All you need is paper, something to color with, and scissors are optional. So please, I would love it if you joined me. I'm going to be instructing the classes, and I cannot wait to see you then. We can work on our SEL together and make an amazing day. I hope everyone has a great rest of your week. Edmo out.